fluid-applied, acrylic, polyester reinforced roofing systems. This fantastic foreman is applying an acrylic base directly to the existing built-up hot tar roofing system at the rate of 2 gallons per 100 square feet. This amount of application translates to 14 mil thickness depending on the absorption of the existing built-up hot tar roofing system. The 14 mil thickness amount is needed for the polyester fabric to become completely saturated with the base coat. To ensure complete saturation of the polyester, the highly skilled crew runs a broom over the top of it, pressing it into the newly applied wet base. As mentioned before, the base is also being absorbed into the existing built-up hot tar roofing system, which, when dried, gives great adhesion to the newly applied roofing system once it has cured. This gives the new roofing system its bite. Once the polyester fabric is secured, broomed into place, the foreman makes yet another pass over the polyester, applying 2 more gallons of the incredible base over the top of the earlier secured polyester fabric, which in turn becomes fully encapsulated. Once this phase of the application has dried for 12 to 24 hours, 2 more separate applications of white top coat are applied at the rate of 2 gallons per 100 square feet each. And this completes the roofing system. This particular roofing system carries a 20-year no dollar limit warranty. However, the warranties do range anywhere from 5 to 30 years, depending on what the owner's needs are and wants are. Please feel free to ask questions and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more educational information.